Welcome to my channel. How to set up Orbi Wi-Fi 7 mesh system. Step 1. Prepare and connect hardware. 1. Download app. Get the Orbi app from your phone's app store. 2. Connect router. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the Orbi router's yellow port to your modem's Ethernet port. 3. Power up. Plug the Orbi router into a power outlet and wait for its ring light to pulse white, then turn solid white, 1 to 2 minutes. Step 2. Use the Orbi app. 1. Launch app. Open the Orbi app and log in or create a My Netgear account. 2. Start setup. Tap Set up an Orbi and follow the prompts. 3. Scan QR code. Allow camera access and scan the QR code on the router's sleeve or base when prompted. 4. Connect phone. Connect your phone to the default Orbi Wi-Fi network, name, password on the label. Step 3. Finalize and customize. 1. App guidance. The app will detect your router and satellites and guide you through. 2. Customize network. Set your new Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. 3. Sync satellites. Confirm your satellites are connected and set up any extra features like Netgear Armor Security or guest networks. For instant help call 1-800-915-5645.